everyone, it's Miwako. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to finally unbox the red dress that I said that I bought like 3 months ago from Etsy. I don't know if you remember. So for those of you who don't know, I was buying on dresses, like morigirl dresses on Etsy a while back. So the last dress that I got, it's no older than this one over here. I bought this like a few months ago and I never opened it until now. So yeah, for those of you who don't know, you can get like custom, you know, upcycled clothing on Etsy, but they tend to be like very expensive, just like I mentioned in my other upcycle dress video. So yeah, I don't know if I'm even going to like this dress, to be honest, because I just like so many styles of mori, but the one that I love the most is the classic mori, you know, like the beige and ivory kind of mori, the very light color mori, and the pastel one. So this is like dark bloody red. So yeah, this is from the brand called Thread Smart. So that's the name of the brand. It came just like this, and it came with a little gift that I have no idea what it is. I think it's a soap. So let's check it out quickly. So this dress was around like, I think it was $100. Again, it's way too much. Like this dress and the other one, even though they're handmade, it's just too much, you know, for one clothing. And I don't even know how it's gonna fit. So yep, I think I was right. The gift was, oh no, it was actually I forgot, a candle. It doesn't smell like anything at all. So yeah, it's a very cute solid blue candle. So that's our gift. It came in a very simple, like, I think it's handmade tiny bag. So now let's check out the dress. It came all wrapped. Well, it's very red. It's actually like, it's red, but it has a more purplish tone. That is kind of a little bit on my weakness, because this is my favorite red. It is so dark red, and it has like flannels at the bottom. It has a weird cut. It's like a asymmetrical cut. The front of the blouse is made out of knit material. It is a very thin material, and it also has like bezels in the front. It looks pretty cool. There's so many details on this dress. So yeah, but it's so dark red. I think my boyfriend is going to love it. His favorite color is red. So yeah, I think this is going to be like dark mori kind of clothing. So yeah, I'm going to see how it fits, and I'll see you in a moment. So this is how the dress looks. I know it looks pretty cool, I have to be honest. Sadly, it has a lot of like v-neck, because the layers are very heavy, so I have to wear a tank top. Yeah, that's my only complaint so far. I mean, it doesn't have any pockets. Yeah, it doesn't have any pockets, but I think it will look very bulky. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's very like bloody, very like a little bit gothic, honestly. I don't know if I can like wear this like very mori, because it's just so red. But yeah, I think I might wear a tank top, and I'll let you guys know what do I think. But yeah, it's honestly it looks very cool, and it's, well, one of a kind. So there's that. And the good thing is that it was stretchy here on the bust. I don't know if it will look better like this, but I think it looks, yeah, quite nice. This part over here is very comfortable. but this is a bit heavy and you know, it moves a lot, so I don't know what to think about that. I never had a dress like this. I just know that I love like asymmetrical cuts and stuff like that. So I don't know where my tank top is, so I just put a lot of layers just like a morigirl will do, and ta-da! It may not be exactly what I was thinking of, but yeah, it is pretty warm right now and it's very hot. Yeah, I don't think it looks bad at all. Like I don't have any gray colors that I can like use to make this more dark modi. I know that they use a lot of more grays. I'm not very familiar with dark modi. I'm more into the light modi. So yeah, I just mixed it up a little bit. Yeah, I don't think it looks bad, but I don't think that I will be able to wear this ever unless it's December, because I live in Florida and this is almost impossible. That's why you always see me like wearing very simple modi looks. It's because I'm gonna like die of heat. So yeah, I've never put like a scarf like this, so I know I might did it wrong, like I just don't know. So yeah, I just wearing a cardigan on the bottom, and then I'm wearing a scarf on top, and I'm also wearing my deer collar. So yeah, I just added those layers on. Ta-da! I don't know, what do you guys think? I know I overdid it, but I kind of like it. So what do you guys think about this? It was cool to layer up a little bit. I know that I could have done better. Right now I'm a little bit too tired to just start, you know, guessing what I'm gonna wear with this, but I quite like the dress. My only concern is the v-neck. What do you guys think about this dress? Did you like it? Would you have paid that much? It was $100 for this dress. Anything that you want to say, let me know in a comment below. Have you bought an upcycled dress on Etsy or any other website? And thank you guys for watching, and also thank you for waiting this long to see this dress. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.